well blended, like certain sands or clays, where you want to keep that perfect mix without breaking it up or losing fines to the air.
So if we connect all this back, it's incredible how much complex engineering goes into just moving rock around.
It's far more than just moving rock, isn't it? It's about achieving chemical and physical precision using these massive mechanical systems.
Precision through mechanics.
Absolutely, because the selection of the right stacker and the right reclaimer system that fundamentally dictates the homogeneity of the entire raw mix fed to the plant.
The insurance policy again.
That's why it matters. A single deviation in that feed quality, I mean, it can easily add 3%, maybe 5% to the kiln's energy bill down the line.
Wow.
Not to mention the risk of damaging expensive refractory bricks inside the kiln or producing off-spec clinker that you can't sell.
So this careful layering and equally careful recovery, it ensures consistency.
Which is absolutely crucial for predictable results in those multi-million-dollar energy guzzling stages later on.
So what does this all mean for you listening? It means